Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Skilling Preparation course.
In this session, let us learn how to freeze rows and columns. Let us first see how this feature helps us. Here, in this spreadsheet, I have some data with student information. As I scroll down, you can see that we are not able to view the header part of these columns. In such cases, we will be confused which cell data belongs to which column header. This is where freezing of pans will help. Go to View, select Freeze option and select one row. Now let's scroll down. We can see that the header of the column has been frozen. To freeze more than two rows, let me show you how to do that. Go to fourth row and select the fourth row. Now go to View Freeze and choose the option up to current row. You can see that the first four rows are now frozen. Similarly, we can also freeze columns. To do that, go to View, Freeze, then choose one column. When I scroll to the right side, you can see that A column has been frozen, and from B to C it moves. To freeze more than 2 to 3 columns, similar to what we did with rows, go to third column and select the third column. Now go to View, Freeze and choose the option up to current column. You can see that from A to C are now frozen. To unfreeze pans, go to View, Freeze, choose the option No Rows. You can similarly unfreeze columns also. Another simple way to freeze pans is this. Here you can see an empty box which has two thick lines. Drag this line till where you want to freeze. I am freezing till this row. You can see the results now. For freezing the column, select the two lines and drag the column till you want to freeze. Now you can see that the rows and columns are frozen. We have now learned to freeze rows and columns in sheets. Please practice this as this will be very useful when we handle large data. Thank you.